Hey guys, OnePlus 6 is finally here! Amazon Germany seems to have accidentally listed the OnePlus 6 along with high resolution photos and pricing. Listings for the two variants of the OnePlus 6 are no longer available for viewing, which suggests that the retailer giant has removed them. Here is all the information that has surfaced through the Amazon Germany listing of OnePlus 6. OnePlus 6 was listed in color variants like mirror black and midnight black on the retailer side, even though leaked information has revealed that there could be a white edition of the OnePlus 6. This color variant was not listed on Amazon Germany. The listing had also revealed that the OnePlus 6 would be available for buying in the country starting from May 22nd. On May 21st, the Chinese manufacturer will be carrying out global pop-up events at multiple regions, including European countries, to let OnePlus fans buy the OnePlus 6 before the official release date. Amazon Germany had listed the OnePlus 6 in 64GB and 128GB storage variants. These models are respectively packed with 6GB and 8GB of RAM. The 64GB and 128GB OnePlus 6 variants were respectively listed with pricing of €519, $621 and €569, $680. The Chinese manufacturer had itself confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will be also available in higher model featuring 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. This variant wasn't listed on the retailer's site. The base model with mirror black will be exclusively available in Germany. If customers want to purchase the matte version, they will have to invest in the 128GB model that comes with 8GB of RAM. As far as the specs are concerned, previously leaks have already revealed that the OnePlus 6 will be arriving with a 6.28-inch optic AMOLED display that supports 19:9 aspect ratio and FHD plus resolution of 20:80 by 1080 pixels. The notch present on the top of the display features an earpiece, a notification LED, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The vertical dual camera setup sitting on the rear of the phone features a 16-megapixel sensor and a 20-megapixel sensor. The dual cameras are equipped with features like optical image stabilization, portrait mode, and super slow motion video shooting at 720p. The Snapdragon 845 chipset that includes an octa-core processor that works at 2.7 GHz will be driving the phone. Amazon's listing for the upcoming OnePlus smartphone did not contain any information for its battery. The Tainan certification of the OnePlus 6 in China has already revealed that it features a 3300 mAh battery. The handset also carries support for dual SIM. It is loaded with Android 8.1 Oreo operating system that is probably customized to the latest version of Oxygen OS. The OnePlus 6 is the first flagship phone from the company to feature glass chassis. According to Amazon Germany's listing, the OnePlus 6 features Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on its front and rear sides. It features an aluminum frame with the alert slider now positioned on the right edge. The listing also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will be a water-resistant device. However, there's no mentioning of IP rating on Amazon. The Chinese manufacturer has retained the 3.5mm audio jack on the OnePlus 6. So now let me know what you guys think about the OnePlus 6 with a pricing of $621 and $680. Let me know in the comments down and make sure to subscribe for the future content, and yeah, see you soon.